Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, May 25th, 2019. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Watford, Pinery Park, eastern Lambton County. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. A severe thunderstorm watch is
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm